I get a lot of questions. What do we do for a living, and are we retired or not? I guess because we bought 5 acres in the middle of nowhere, but I'm here to answer all y'all questions. So here we on a job site. The homeowner kitchen sink was overflowing, and we found a lime in the drain part. So note to yourself, don't put no limes in your kitchen sink. Just go ahead and throw it away. Sometimes the garbage disposal don't be doing what it's supposed to be doing, y'all. Now we're on to the next job. Here we already fixed the leak here, but now we're repairing the drywall damage. My name is Karima. My husband's name is Richard, and we have our own business out here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We remodel homes, we flip homes, we manage a lot of homes out here in Vegas. Anything with a home, flooring, electrical, plumbing, we do it all, y'all. So if y'all want to know more about us, follow us on YouTube, Off Grid Road Runner Ranch. I'll check y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful day.